Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to make a quick video of a new update that YouTube has released to its iOS app and its Android app as well, where they did one small change, but it's a big change as well. So in the tabs below in the bottom screen, the navigation area, now there's a new renamed tab right there. So before it used to be called the trending tab pretty much, but now it's called the explore tab. So what's new in this explore tab? So pretty much the only thing that's really new is that Apple added a new sections area on top on the Explore tab there. So there's now topics there as well. So you have like the news topic, you have fashion, music, learning, movies, gaming, trending, and then of course one of my new favorite features that that YouTube did in this update is they added the creator on the rise. So I don't know if this is like maybe every day or every week, or they're going to be changing and adding some new content creators that are on the rise on the platform. So yeah, that's really neat right there that YouTube is doing that. And of course, if you slide down, you still have the trending videos right there. You have the top trending videos in all of YouTube, so that's still there. Nothing has changed there. But yeah, pretty much they added new sections on the top right there, which you could just go and tab. So if you want to check out the news, you'll have the typical news stuff from typical news networks on TV. Now, of course, YouTube still has a long way to go in this Explore tab or the Explore tab. They have to add much more sections, like the technology section. They still don't have a technology section for us, the tech community. We're a pretty big tech community on YouTube, and there, we should have our own tech section right there. Like MKBHD should be in the top right there, since he is like the king of tech and on YouTube, and so yeah, he should be there. Of course, in the gaming area right there, you'll see, of course, the typical big gamers on YouTube, of course. So like PewDiePie, of course, it's no surprise that he's on the top right there. Then of course these are just like the biggest tech YouTubers. I mean tech biggest gaming YouTubers on YouTube. So yeah, I just wish like YouTube showed off also the smaller gaming channels starting up, which it will be really neat as well. Just to give a little boost to those channels as well, and not just the big channels like PewDiePie. But yeah, one of my favorite new features, of course, in this update I really enjoy is the creator on the rise. They also have artist of the day or artist of the week or something like that YouTube's going to be doing as well, to answer to creators who have been, kind of felt like that YouTube has forgotten about them, because YouTube is mostly answering, to big networks and all that stuff and ads, like the advertisers and everything. And so yeah, this is it's the right step in the right direction that YouTube is going at, but YouTube still has a ton of work to do. But maybe hopefully one day I'll be the creator on the rise right there in the section right there. Hopefully, cross my fingers. So if you guys want to help me out, you guys can help me out by watching my videos. And so yeah, but yeah, YouTube is doing a good job listening to creators, of course, but it still has a long way to go. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share with you guys that new update, which is pretty much out now, and you could update it on your Android phone or on the iPhone as well. But yeah, tell me what you guys think about this new update. You guys care? Don't care? And that's pretty much it. And as always, if you guys enjoy watching these type of videos, my tech videos, please do subscribe to the channel, because it helps. And also, I think that's it. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.